At first it's really confusing because we have different periods.
So you'd either go to whatever day is fitting your schedule.
One of the greatest driving forces behind the rotating schedule is the fact that kids are different and act differently at different times during the school day. They come to school, some come wide awake, some come a little more groggy. After lunch they respond differently. At the end of the school day they act differently.
You have rotating schedules where you go to like homeroom, then first period, then second period.
And then on Tuesday it's 2, 3, 4, 5.
So instead of setting students up with the same schedule each day so that maybe they'd have to start their day off with math or language arts the first block of the day or the last block, week long, we have a rotating schedule. What it does is it allows us to have a 1 through 7 schedule, but that rotates. So on Mondays we start with period 1, on Tuesdays we start with period 2.
Wednesday begins with period 3, Thursday begins with period 4.
All the way through to Friday starting with period 5. It gives our teachers a fresh day, it gives the students a different perspective, and it allows them to build on some of their strengths and high points throughout the day.
You'll get the hang of it because it's a pattern.